Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a London Drugs unboxing for you guys, and as you can see it says London Drugs on the tape there. They don't usually put their name on the box, just on their tape that they use to seal the boxes with. So I figured I would show you guys close up, and I'll probably be sitting in front of the camera to do this video, and it's gonna be some skincare. So if you're interested in that kind of video, please keep on watching. Okay, so let's move right into this video, and I will go ahead and open up this box. And I do have my packing slip, which I didn't want to show on camera because it has my order number on there. So like I mentioned earlier, it's going to be some skincare that I wanted to get. When I ordered this stuff, I was actually looking for the Aveeno products, which another store had, and it was on sale, and I actually wanted to get some of those, but when I went to check out, they didn't want to use PayPal. They wanted a credit card number, which I don't like using my credit card online, so I couldn't place the order. But so I ended up checking London Drugs. They did not have the Aveeno stuff on sale at the moment, but the Neutrogena stuff was on sale, and I know I've been wanting this for a while as well. So I decided to put in this order for the Neutrogena instead, because with the temperatures getting cooler now, I'm needing different kinds of skincare because my skin tends to get dry really fast during these months. So the ones that I've been using in the summer just would not work as good anymore. So I just decided to get this. And if you guys have been following me for a while, you would have seen other unboxings from London Drugs. Also, I do go to the store sometimes if we're going to like Edmonton or Grand Prairie, and you know, if there's something that I was needing and it's on sale at that time, I would go in the store and pick it up. Otherwise, if not, I would just buy it online. So it's like a pharmacy, but they also have different sections in the store, and they sell stuff for like your home. They sell appliances, they sell high-end makeup, as well as the drugstore brands. And also they have a little section set up where they sell grocery items, not like fresh vegetables and like meats and stuff, but like canned goods, and you can get like candies and chips and snack items and different things. I think they do sell some chiller stuff as well, like maybe those TV dinners and stuff like that. So they sell a bunch of stuff. It's a big store, and I like shopping there simply because you can find so many things online and in the store. So I usually make a comparison between them and Amazon if I'm gonna buy anything. So enough of the talking, let's just get into this video. And I like how they always have their stuff wrapped. They're pretty good with their wrapping. So, and everything they put in this Ziploc bag. So I've got about 5 items in here, and they're all the Neutrogena brand, and it's supposed to be really good for hydration, which is what I need in the winter time because my skin, like I mentioned, gets really dry. So I'm gonna try and open this up, and the first thing I'm gonna show you is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Body Gel Cream, and it's in 453 grams. It's fragrance free, and it's good for sensitive and dry skin, which is what I have. I don't really care for pumps that much because sometimes you get it and it doesn't work. It's broken, or when you get to like the bottom, it doesn't pump as much. But anyways, it was on sale, and actually I've never used this before. None of these products I've ever tried before, so it's gonna be a first for me. But I've been watching other YouTubers and they've been giving them good reviews, so I decided to try it. I love the Neutrogena brand. I've been using Neutrogena face wash for many years and I really like it. And I was using it before I came to Canada, and then when I came to Canada I used it a few times, so I like the brand. But I've never used this kind of skincare. I don't even know if I ever had a Neutrogena skincare. I think I'm mostly Olay or L'Oreal, whichever is affordable or whatever is on sale at the time. So this is what it looks like. I don't know how good you're seeing this, but it's actually a pretty big bottle for the price it was at. I'm not sure if they put the prices on my slip. I'm just gonna check it here. No, it doesn't have the price. It just has the item numbers and the description of the products and the size and how many you ordered. It doesn't have the price. So I think they were all $19.99, or no, some of them were $19.99 and I think some were cheaper than that. But anyways, the next item is going to be the Hydro Boost gel cream for extra dry skin. And I wonder if I can read this. It's like a moisturizer. It's not a very big, it's 47 mils. So it's not very big, but I mean, I don't think you need to use a lot of it, you know. So that is what that looks like. It's in a little jar. Then the next thing I got was the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. What is this? A serum, 30 mils. Intensely hydrates and energizes the look of skin. So it's a Hydro Boost multivitamin booster. So that is what it looks like. So this is what the product, very pretty, nice packaging, attractive. And then the next thing I've got here is the Hydro Boost Hydrating Serum. Instantly boost hydration for smooth, supple skin. And this one is 30 mils as well. Okay, and then the last thing I got was the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hand Gel Cream. And instantly boost hydration for supple hands. And this is 85 grams. Pretty tiny, but it's supposed to be good for dry skin. I get a lot of dry skin on the hands and stuff like that, so I guess this is gonna work good. I just can't wait to try all this stuff because my skin is already getting dry, and I should have actually started using this stuff in September because it starts to cool down here. Even at the end of August, it starts to get cool here, so I should have been using this stuff earlier, but like I said, I was waiting for it to go on sale, and you know, every time it goes on sale I can't buy it, or we do go to Edmonton or Grand Prairie and then it's not on sale anymore. So it's always something. So when it was $19.99, I just said, you know what, I'm gonna get this because I wanted that plus the Aveeno. And my God, I can't believe how big this is though. Feels really heavy. Let's see. No smell. That's actually pretty good because they always say that when stuff has too much fragrance in it, it doesn't work as effective as other products. But I've known brands like Lancome. I've used their products before and they smell really nice and they work really well. So I mean, you know, everybody's different. What might work for somebody else might not work for you because you've got sensitive skin. You can't might just be an ingredient in there that doesn't agree with your skin. So everybody is different. Some people can take fragrant stuff, some people can't because they got allergies. It's always different, so you gotta know, and it's always good to try new stuff and see what you like and stuff like that. So that was my haul. I don't want to make this too much long of a video, and I'm not sure if I'll be able to do another video because I'm probably gonna get busy. But we'll see, maybe I can squeeze one in where I'm gonna be sitting behind the camera, and because I've got a bunch of samples to show you guys. I do get samples from the Facebook groups, and I like to share that with you because I've got quite a few that I haven't opened up as yet. So guys, that was my London Drugs unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried any of this stuff or these products and how they work for you. Is it as effective as other people are saying? You know, just give some comments, let others know and stuff like that. And if you're new to my channel, I do a lot of hauls and unboxings, and you can also subscribe if you want to, if you like these kinds of videos. And yeah, so thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye guys.